Mercedes-Benz strengthens its presence in Karnataka, inaugurates Bengaluru's latest luxury facility and a Maybach launch Viva Star. Bengaluru city becomes the first city to have a Maybach launch and Maybach icons of luxury stored together in India. India now breaks into Mercedes-Maybach's top 5 markets globally. Mercedes-Benz India launches the ultra-luxury Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 SUV in Bengaluru priced at 2.75 crores rupees All India ex-showroom. This luxurious SUV for the first time will be made in India, outside of the USA. Gove, the innovation capital of India, Bengaluru remains a key market for Mercedes-Benz buoyed by growing demand for top-end luxury vehicles from young, aspirational customers. Inaugurating India's most exquisite ultra-luxurious Maybach launch in Bengaluru underscores the rising demand for ultra-luxury vehicles like Mercedes-Maybach. Bengaluru has emerged as one of the top 3 cities for billionaires in India and the luxury consumption is growing strongly. Mercedes-Benz aims to tap this burgeoning potential of Bengaluru with elevated customer experience and world-class retail infrastructure curated by Viva Star. With this luxury facility, we strengthen our footprint in the city and confident of curating the most desirable luxury experience for our discerning customers. Santosh Iyer, Managing Director and CEO, Mercedes-Benz India. Viva Star inaugurates a new luxury sales and state-of-art service facility in Bengaluru, strengthening Mercedes-Benz footprint in Karnataka. The showroom introduces the first Maybach launch in Karnataka, complemented by the innovative Maybach retail kit and dedicated luxury consultation spaces. Carrying an investment of INR 200 million, Viva Star was completed in record 5 months, reflecting faster market readiness and customer proximity of Mercedes-Benz. Viva Star is located in South Bengaluru's upscale neighborhood that offers good connectivity for customers. The luxury sales facility spans are covered.
So we are quite happy to have our third partner in Bangalore with Viva Star as such, and it's a great facility. One thing which is unique for Bangalore is also this as a Maybach launch. Again, a very unique setup to give exclusive experience to customers. Today we have also introduced a locally produced GLS Maybach in India. This will also be available for customers across India as well as in Karnataka. I think the investments made by Viva Star Group are commendable, 20-odd crores in sales and service facility, and the entire core objective is how to enhance and improve the customer experience for Mercedes-Benz customers in the state. We will do everything possible to introduce more cars here, and 2026 is a special year. It's 140 years of innovation, we say, ever since Mercedes-Benz cars got the patent, and we have been inventing and innovating cars. So in that year, to start the year and inaugurating such a fantastic sales and service outlet, quite happy and proud to be in Bangalore. But over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Santosh Iyer. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಭಿಮಾನ, ಮರ್ಸಿಡೀಸ್ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ಅವರು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಮಾನ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನಸು ಮನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ, ಎರಡನೇ ಕನಸು ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶಾಪ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅನುಭವ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 140 years of innovation and the 3-pointed star. It's a pride. It's a proud moment for me, my family and my entire team. We are highly excited, and also with the 12 launches this year, it coincides with a lot of excitement. Thank you so much. We really appreciate Team Mercedes-Benz for all their support, and we assure you, sir, that we will leave no stone unturned. The team Viva Star will leave no stone unturned in trying to exceed your expectation in terms of heart-touching experience to our customers. Thank you.